Hi guys, Joseph here. Today we're going to be doing another video on my 2003 Saab 95, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the side grab handle, but this also works for your Saab 95 from 1997 to 2009, and also it also works for the Saab 93 and also the Saab 900. It works for them cars, and that's the models that it works with. Thought I'd just let you know the other models. So if you have a Saab 900, this video also applies to you, or if you own the 93, Saab 93 up to 2002. If you own the Saab 93 up to 2002, this video applies to you. I don't know if it goes up to 2003 or not. Yeah, to either 2002 or 2003. Before the facelift model. This is for the pre-facelift. It doesn't apply to the facelift 93 because they totally changed it. But it applies to the facelift Saab 95. So, let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, to replace your grab handle in your 1997 to 2009 Saab 95, the reason you might be replacing your grab handle is maybe your coat peg has snapped off like this one is. The car's been like this ever since I've owned it, and finally I've decided to replace it. So to replace it, and also this spring in this has had it in it. Like, I'm only putting second-hand ones in here, but these ones are in a lot better than this one. So to take these bits off, guys, you just insert a screwdriver there. Then that's how you open them up. And do the same on that side. That's how you do it. Push in, then it pops out. Now, you want to get a T25. After you release them, the new one's a lot more, got a spring back up, so it's going to be a bit tougher. With your new ones, a bit more spring, it's going to be a bit tougher than this one. And I'm going to just change out all of them because they're in a lot more. These have hardly ever been used. But I will keep these and at some point try and repair. So undo the two T25s, this side and that side. Right guys, just drop the screw, sort that out in a minute. Try and catch this one. Just about got that one. Then guys, once you've loosened the two screws, retrieved both the screws, now you pull outwards. These basically come outwards. They're very easy. That's basically the bodywork of the car. No, that's painted black. The car's actually blue. Now getting your new grab handle. And guys, here's the new one. There you go. There you go. Look how springy that is. Now give it a bit of a push. Adds quite a bit. There you go. Yeah, that's that one. I'll get the second one. There you go, both screws are out. Now, you've got to insert these in the best you can. Insert that in the best way you possibly. Now guys, you've inserted that. Get your screws and insert in the new screws that was provided with this one. Just tighten up till it's snug. Now that one could just be inserted down. Now guys, look at the amount of spring. These are only temporary while I just fix out the other ones. Just look at that spring. You don't get out with the original. Here you go. Now, I guess you just do the rest, and I'll do the rest of these off camera. I've done the driver's side, done this side, and I'll do the two fronts. So I'm going to pause here and go and end off this video. Right guys, we're going to end off this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any content like this, and give this video a thumbs up, and have a nice day.